Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and signing into your Microsoft account. This lets you access PowerPoint for the web. Once signed in, go to Office. And choose PowerPoint, or drag a PPTX into Drive and open with PowerPoint Online. Make sure Chrome is up to date and that pop-ups and extensions won't block the editor. Now, upload your file or select a template to start editing. This gets you into the editor quickly, so you can begin designing slides immediately. Once inside the editor, use the ribbon to change layouts, apply themes, and set transitions. These controls mirror desktop PowerPoint but run in your browser. You can insert images or icons and embed videos using a URL. Chrome streams them directly, so make sure video access is allowed. For collaboration, click Share, copy the link, and choose Edit or View Permissions. Collaborators will see changes in real time. If you need advanced features, try the Desktop App option from the File menu. It opens when required. To present, click Slideshow or Cast from Chrome to mirror to a screen. Verify the aspect ratio is 16:9 for best fit. Use File then Save, but rely on auto-save to OneDrive to keep version history and avoid data loss. When finished, download as PPTX or export to PDF for sharing. If you hit problems, slides not loading or media failing, clear Chrome cache, disable conflicting extensions, or open the file in incognito. That simple troubleshooting step often resolves loading or playback errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.